This is the medical tax credit claim screen in WinTax, and it shows that this taxpayer had 2 beneficiary members on his medical aid for every month in the tax year. The beneficiaries being this taxpayer and his spouse, for example. The taxpayer will be awarded primary beneficiary medical tax credits for each of the 2 beneficiaries. We can see the code 4005 allowable contributions from the IRP5 brought forward and shown in the yellow field in this screen. We know that SARS only accepts the amount of code 4005 contributions shown on the medical aid certificate to be processed for medical tax credits and not the contributions shown on the IRP5. We check the certificate from the taxpayer's medical aid, and in this case the amount actually received by the medical aid was exactly the same as the contribution amount on the IRP5, so we physically entered this 100,000 Rand amount into the white column here for processing. WinTax has processed all the medical tax credits and shows the total medical tax credits of 15,625 Rand granted. This taxpayer had a taxable income of 500,000 Rand. SARS also allows you to tax credits for other immediate family members for whom you paid the medical aid contributions and medical costs. If you click on this button here, this window will open. It is rare to find a taxpayer who pays the medical for a family member with their own medical aid, and even more rare to come across a case where a taxpayer pays the medical for more than one family member, such as for the parents and for the taxpayer's grown unmarried children, each with their own medical aids, but where the contributions are paid by our taxpayer. In a case where the taxpayer pays the medical for more than one extra party, then simply add the amounts together and enter the totals. Let's say 40,000 Rand in contributions was received by the parents' medical aid and 25,000 Rand each by the other 2 medical aids. So we enter the total contributions of 90,000 Rand. The ITR 12 wants you to enter the medical aid funds, membership numbers, etc., but WinTax only needs you to enter the amounts received by the medical aids from this taxpayer's bank account. The extra contributions you enter on this screen will be added to the allowable contributions that our taxpayer's own medical aid received. Extra non-reimbursed out-of-pocket medical costs will be added to the taxpayer's own non-reimbursed out-of-pocket medical costs. Notice that if there are any contributions or medical costs entered in this window for extra people for whom you paid the medical aid, then this will be indicated by this green tick. No contributions or medical costs entered in this window will be indicated by a red cross. When you close this window, all medical tax credits will be recalculated.